Once upon a time, in the heart of a deep and silent forest, there lived a beautiful little bird. Her feathers shone like sunlight on water, and her eyes sparkled with innocence. She was gentle, loving, and always kind to everyone she met. But what truly made her different was not her beauty, it was a strange little habit she carried in her heart. Every morning, she would look around carefully. Whatever she saw, whatever she felt in her heart, or even whatever sound touched her ears, she made sure not to forget it. But instead of keeping it in her mind, she would pick up a small stone from the ground. With her tiny beak, she would scratch her experience on it. Sometimes a happy moment, and sometimes a painful one. After writing, she would drop it carefully into a tiny cloth bag she carried on her back. For her, every moment was valuable. She often thought, happiness makes us smile, and sadness teaches us lessons. Both are too important to be lost. So, she decided everything should be remembered. At first, it seemed beautiful. Each stone was like a little story. The first time she tasted sweet berries, she wrote it on a stone. The day she sat under the rain and felt cold drops fall on her feathers, she wrote that too on a stone. Even when she quarreled with another bird and felt hurt, she craved it carefully. Her bag slowly filled up, and she began to think, this is my treasure, a collection of entire life. But little by little, the bag grew heavier. With every passing day, her wings had to work harder to keep her in the sky. At first, she did not notice it. Her joy of collecting was too strong. But soon, her flight became slower, and she could not longer fly high above the trees as she used to. Still, she ignored it and thought, it is my life I am carrying with me. One evening, while the tiny bird was sitting on a branch, a wise old monk passed through the forest. When he saw the bird with a bag on her back, he asked gently, "Oh little bird, what are you carrying on your back?" The little bird smiled with pride and said, "Oh wise one, this bag holds my life. It contains every experience I have gone through, every joy, every tear, every lesson I have ever lived. It is so precious to me, and I carry it everywhere I go." The wise old monk looked surprised, but with a calm expression, he said, "But my little friend, we should try to live in the present. The past is gone, whether happy or sad. It is of no use to carry it with you. Memories should guide you, not weigh you down." The bird tilted her head in confusion. She did not understand. She chirped lightly, thanked the monk, and flew away. Days turned into weeks, and her bag kept filling with stones of memories. Slowly, the bag grew heavier, pressing against her delicate body. Sometimes she wanted to fly higher, but the bag pulled her down. Sometimes she wished to chase butterflies, but she could not keep up. Other birds soared high in the sky, but she lagged behind, panting, way down by the burden of the bag. Then one stormy evening, dark clouds gathered, wind howled, and heavy rain poured. The little bird tried to fly back to her safe nest, but her bag was too heavy and her wings too weak. She flapped desperately, but the weight dragged her down. At last, she fell to the ground. The stones spilled out and pressed against her tiny body. The very memories she thought would protect her, crushed her under their burden. The beautiful little bird died under the weight of her own bag of stones. The next day, the wise old monk passed through the same forest. Seeing the bird lying still beneath the pile of stones, he sat beside her and felt sorrow. He remembered the advice he had given her. With a heavy heart, he stood up and whispered, "Memories are not meant to be carried like burdens. They are meant to guide, not to weigh you down." She wanted to hold on to her past, and in doing so, she forgot how to live in the present. The story of the little bird teaches us a deep lesson about how we hold on to our past. The bird's habit of recording every single moment shows how we too often carry every memory, regret, and sorrow in our heart. At first, we don't feel the weight, but slowly, just like the bird's heavy bag of stones, these memories become burdens that stop us from living fully in the present. In our own lives, many of us do the same. We keep clinging to the past and refuse to let it go. Memories of joy sometimes makes us sad because we wish those moments would return. Painful memories, grudges, regrets, and fears keep us stuck and prevent us from moving forward. But memories are meant to guide us, not trap us. If we keep piling up our past in our hearts, it becomes impossible to rise in life. The monk's words reminds us that life is not meant to be lived carrying the weight of yesterday. True freedom lies in letting go, forgetting, and moving forward. So, this story teaches us to leave behind the unnecessary weight of old failures, bitter words, and regrets. When we release them, we gain the strength to rise freely, spread our wings, and experience the true joy of living in the present.